Storm clouds. The towering clouds that herald a thunderstorm are magnificent to look at, with their thunderous gray bases, topped by billowing columns of cloud. Storms result from the violent mixing of air, water vapor, water droplets, and ice crystals inside cumulonimbus, the biggest clouds on Earth. A single cumulonimbus releases as much energy as the explosion of a nuclear bomb, as well as producing thunder and lightning. Storm clouds bring heavy rain or snow and strong winds that can increase in sudden, unpredictable gusts. Manna from heaven. These spectacular clouds are called mammatus. Mamma is Latin for breast. They form from down currents of air in the underside of a storm cloud's anvil. When they appear, it is wise to find shelter, as they signify that a severe storm with gales and torrential rain is close, and there is a serious risk of tornadoes. Birth of a storm cloud. Storm clouds develop as warm, moist air rises and cools, causing its water vapor to condense into droplets. Condensation releases heat, which makes the air rise further and the cloud grow taller. A storm cloud may keep growing until it reaches the top of the troposphere. Here the air temperature levels out and the cloud can rise no further. For about an hour, the cloud releases heavy rain, snow, or even hail until it runs out of moisture and starts to disappear. An anvil shape. The anvil shape is normally a useful indicator of the way a storm is heading, as the tail end tends to spread out in the direction of the upper winds. Tropical minutes. Cumulonimbus clouds are most common in the hot, moist air of the tropics, such as here above Zaire. Air inside these turbulent giants rises and sinks in currents traveling 50 km per hour or more. The strong upcurrents can create clouds over 11 km tall, high enough to reach into the stratosphere and show up clearly from space. The top, made from ice crystals, is swept into a huge anvil, shaped by the wind. On the alert, storm clouds can be visible up to 320 kilometers, 200 miles away, particularly in low-lying terrain such as here in Arizona, USA. Aircraft pilots steer clear of these clouds as they can be extremely dangerous. If caught in the middle of one, fierce winds can throw an aircraft upwards and then downwards with enough force to make the pilot lose control.